This is the 2011 Monkey Island Open highlights. This event is part of the 2011 Dirty Dozen Tour. Go to dirtydozentour.com to find out more information on all the other events. This event highlight video brought to you by CoolDaddySlickBreeze. Check out CoolDaddySlickBreeze.com for more tournament DVD and video on demand. A special thanks to Sonic Drive-In of Denton, Texas for providing all the water for the Dirty Dozen Tour events.
Alright, CoolDaddySlickBreeze here, and we're out here at the Monkey Island Open. It's freezing cold, but yesterday actually we had a chance to play the Emporia Country Club, which is going to be one of the premier courses for the Glassblown Open. And I'm here with Eric McCabe, who designed the course. So Eric, tell us a little bit about what went on in your head when you designed that course.
You know, it's on a ball golf course, so I mean it's going to be a good course pretty much no matter how you design it. But there's lots of elevation out there. The greens were all looking good. The fairways were looking good, you know, and like I said, with the elevation, and there's quite a few trees and a big pond. There's even an island, and I mean, I don't think you can design a bad course out there.
How hard is it to take a ball golf course and make it into a disc golf course?
It's pretty difficult, actually. I mean, you know, you got to use, with our sport, you know, you use lots of trees, and most golf courses don't have trees, you know, very many trees. So, you know, there's not too many holes that we're playing right down the middle of the fairways. You know, there is a couple, you know, so we can get some big bomb rollers going down them, but it can be difficult. But like I said, with this piece of property, it was really easy.
It was a beautiful piece of property for sure. What would you tell people now? Not very many people showed up, which you really should have showed up to get ready for the Glassblown Open. So what can you tell some of the viewers what to prepare for when they come to the Glassblown Open for this course?
I would say long shots. It's a pretty big course. I think it measures out to 9,200 feet or something like that, par 62, 63. So, you know, it's definitely a big game, you know, big course, and just keep it in the fairways away from the OB, and you'll be just fine.
Cool. All right. Well, thanks a lot, Eric.
Absolutely. Thank you.
CoolDaddySlickBreeze Tournament DVDs. Our DVDs include complete lead card footage captured at Dynamic Disc events. Together with scores and commentary, you can follow along as touring pros and local pros bring you some of the best disc golf action found on DVD. Included on some DVDs are dynamic duels where we put some of the top players into head-to-head battle for the win. Don't like watching on DVD? Check out the site to see how you can watch the discs fly on our video on demand page. Go to CoolDaddySlickBreeze.com to see the growing library of disc golf action and find out how you can start your collection today. Dynamic Discs has emerged into one of the leaders in the disc golf world, with some of the biggest and best tournaments in the area, some of the most unique dies on the planet, an online store that provides the best service and selection, and tournament DVDs powered by CoolDaddySlickBreeze. Go online today at dynamicdisc.com to find out more.
Eric McKay, you just won the 2011 Monkey Island Open. You shot 49 the first round and a 45 on that second round.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit about the day.
Well, we woke up this morning and it was drizzly, kind of hailing a little bit, and some snow, and cold, windy conditions. And I just came out hoping to get birdies when they come. And first round I played okay. I mean, I played with Brendan Hickman the first round. He played really well, shot an 8 down, and he was just hitting his putts all day long. And I just tried to keep up with him basically the first day, or the first round. And then second round conditions got a little worse actually at the first few holes. I mean, snow was coming down sideways. It was pretty harsh conditions out there, but I think I rattled off like 6 in a row, including one of the longest holes on the course. So my putter was on the second round.
Do you change your game up at all when it's weather like that, when the snow's coming down?
Yeah, a little bit. I'll tend to club up. When I'm throwing a buzz, sometimes I'll throw my XL or Pred to force, something along those lines.
Cool. Well, congratulations.
Well, thank you very much. I'd like to thank my sponsors as well. Dynamic Discs, Discraft, of course, and CoolDaddySlickBreeze.
That.
No kidding. My wife's gonna write "Yeah, buddy" on there too.
Yeah, buddy.
It'll be a little less PC than that.
So, have you heard of T-shirt time?
Is that on?
No, I don't want to turn this thing on. Idiot.